Alright, here we are in Minden, finally, and quite a few people here already. This is like 7 in the morning, and it goes quite a bit. So I'm gonna be going around a little bit here and there, and seeing what we can do. And there's Henry Rogers, and he didn't bring too much stuff today. We got some. And let's see. Let's go there. Okay. He brought a couple things here. Not as much he had last time, but still. And there's Ron over there.
Do a ride share with somebody else.
We got people hanging around here. So I'll be doing this back and forth here. But and there we go for now. Okay, a couple of Zeniths down there.
They need batteries.
S40B. Got some parts.
Definitely works.
This one's got more parts. Old capacitors, electrolytics. And of course, tubes. More tubes. Boxes of tubes. There you go. And longer. I'm going to go back and forth, I think.
Actually, it's not, but the gentleman went for a walk. He told me that, you know, the rotator's $50. I was waiting for somebody to come back, if they ever come back. First come, first serve.
Mm-hmm.
Something like $20 for the bag down there.
Extra stuff. Okay.
Yep. Now I know you guys from somewhere. Are you guys in the local club here? No. I know that we do a lot of that.
I'm just going back and forth here. I haven't made it to the main area yet. It's on the other side. Probably where Ron is right now. But, yeah. I got one of them. Oh yeah. I got the same speaker too. Figure with it. Oh yeah. You start running into all the stuff you still have yourself. Yeah. Oh boy.
Was a Helicopter's S85.
There's another one.
Paper route money and save for it.
Oh gee, Ron, what are you doing now?
This is what you need, Larry.
I don't need anything. I got boat anchors everywhere.
This is not even a boat anchor. Look.
Yeah, I know. I know it's a handheld. Yes, I know.
It is a...
it's another spy radio. I know.
No, it's just a World War II portable receiver, 2 to 6 megs, and RBZ.
Oh my goodness.
How cool is that?
Hey, look, Zenith Transoceanics, a couple of them.
Meters.
And tube type ones, not the ones that are solid state either. Jeez, you got a couple more over here? Yeah. Look at this. Hey, I got one of them. That guy right there.
Yeah.
6 meters. Oh yeah.
Get the photos of...
I got one of those Helicrafters too.
How the receiver was used. It was hung around your neck.
Hung it around your neck.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh boy. Yeah. Well, that looks like a Heathkit power supply. And I have no idea what that is. What the heck is that?
Don't know.
I don't know. I've never seen one. Doesn't mean I'm going to pick it up though. Yeah.
PRC 6 sets. Complete working.
Complete and working. Hmm. Yeah, 2 of them. What's he got on his board over there? Oh, he's got a sort of stuff. Oh my goodness! Look inside his trailer. Well, I guess that's one way to haul stuff around. At least you don't have to unpack it.
Put that on the other one.
Hey, is that what I think it is?
SX.
SX28, right? Well, I have an SX28A, so there. I got one better. Of course, I paid $350 for mine. And that was 2 years ago. Yep. There we go. Well, looks like he's got some of the same kind of stuff. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. Still wandering around. Back on the air again.
Hey, Ron? Yeah, that box. Right there. Oh, down here? Yep, that's good your name on it. Oh, that's the transmitter there.
Oh.
Everything in the box.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Everything in the box, huh?
Yeah, this is the guy's little hammer.
Wow.
Nice little
Yeah. transmitter,
hammer tone paint, front panel.
That's the one's all homebrew, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just too nice to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a scrap for parts or anything.
Pretty nice. Yeah.
I mean, that's
Just
a
as-
work of love. Whoever-
Oh, somebody, yeah, really put
It's too
some
bad
time in it.
that I
Yeah.
don't know anything more about it. It would be interesting to find
Yeah, I
out.
know the history of all this stuff.
Yeah.
Find out who had really built that.
Yeah.
That is very nicely built.
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll be the next little project.
Cool.
Well, you got that homebrew amp anyway. You got it Hammond Hi-Fi anyhow.
Yeah.
Looks like an article for Electric Radio Magazine.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, let's see, where's the main hut?
All your stuff
Over
Tom,
there.
mine?
Is the main hut.
Mostly mine. Bird stuff.
That's where Brad's, this is all Brad's property here. The guy that's putting this on. But yeah, there's some more tables here on this side I haven't seen yet, so we'll get over to those. And I'm going to be over there. I'll see if they have the RTTY set up over there like they did last year. I think they do. So, see, there we go. Oh, that's all set up. Still amazing these things work. I mean,
Yeah.
as old as they are, it's still amazing to see these things running. I knew a guy in El Cerrito who used to collect these like crazy. That was like 50 years ago.
Yeah, I worked in an office at a
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Close up. Can't tell, but here's the teletype. Teletype over the internet. Here we go.
Stick on the paper.
Yeah. I think it's amazing these things still run the way they do. It's amazing, as old as they
There's
are.
an internet service that people provide articles.
Yeah.
He's got a computer program that formats it into the Bob O uppercase only limited set, and then he streams it over the internet.
Oh, really?
So the tablet's got a browser open, reading the stream, which is tones. These devices take the audio tones and convert them into pulses, which is what that gauge does.
Wow.
And then the little magnet right here on the side of the machine is, you can see it vibrating.
Right.
It's converting that 5-level stream of pulses into mechanical motion, which is how it ends up on the paper.
That's still amazing.
This was, that's almost new. These are made in '76, and these things are 80 years old.
Yeah, 80 years old. Yeah. Wow. Go figure. So there you are. You got the complete story. Okay. We continue. There we go. I have a YouTube channel, so I do it for that. Yeah. If you ever look up Lucky Larry, that's me.
I'll look it up.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Cool.
Big ones?
Yeah. Priceless items.
What are you interested in?
Interested in the whip here.
Yeah, the AT1011.
Yeah. Is that all
More priceless stuff.
Well, yeah, it's complete. It's a 35
Hey,
foot whip.
Dave.
What are you looking at?
I mean, that's
This stuff? Wait a second. What is that over there?
Plug-in for
It's a plug-in.
HRO receiver.
HRO.
Oh, I take it back. That's a complete receiver.
And then on
That
top of the
is
tailgate, he's got an Arc 5 over
Yeah,
there.
those are
I see.
lovely antennas.
Apparently he pulled both of them out. One's a receiver, one's a transmitter. Yeah, we've seen enough of those, haven't we? Oh yeah. And that's good for 40 meters. That's about it. You got another one over there, the transmitter on that side. So, yeah.
Yeah, this is like the military HRO
Yeah.
with a plug-in for 47
Plug-in.
megs.
Yeah, look at this inside. Yeah, it's something else.
Yeah, they
But,
all seem to get
yep, we're still finding stuff. Looking all over the place here. There's still plenty of stuff to go through. I mean, there's pallets of stuff everywhere. Hey, you know what, Ron? You missed a coffee over there.
Core 10P transmitter.
That's a transmitter?
Yeah, Encore transformers.
That little-
I didn't know they made a.
Little transmitter like that? That's pretty small. Wow. Okay. Oh, I got one of them. Yes, 120.
Pictures are free.
Pictures are free, yeah.
Just don't. Yeah, in fact, you post them on Hunter Biden's laptop photos.
Yeah, right.
Sneak a couple of them in there.
Yeah. Let's see, we got memory cards there. Yeah.
I haven't walked back there yet because it's been busy here, but I'm going to walk back there shortly. Now that I'm off duty,
Like I say,
You guys need a repeater controller, right?
no, not this week.
When I left California, I sold the last controllers, duplexers, all.
So memory, I have a whole pile of memory over there. Bucket stick.
Yep.
There's a power stick. Oh, there. There's a bunch of random computer cards, which may or may not.
I'm just going to go on over here.
Oh, here's Mike at the very #1 spot.
Huh? Oh, this is the #1 spot?
Well, look right.
It is? Really?
Good morning.
Good morning.
No, I want to regardless. Well, if it's over in California,
Yeah. Guess you couldn't fit all that on a table. That'd be kind of
Here's
rough.
my tuner that should still be sitting there in the Azores.
Oh,
That's the one I use.
that's one you use? Oh. Well, yeah.
And it's fake news, but
It says here we can text the guy about a question about something.
Oh, okay.
Let's text him.
I saw you
Text
guys
him?
sneaking up.
Yeah.
So Larry, are from
That's
the
why I'm using my
FCC,
video
really.
camera.
You need to buy some. I don't know what you need to buy.
I don't need to buy
Are you
anything.
doing a YouTube video with that little device?
Yeah, I'm actually doing a YouTube. Here, you want to get on YouTube? Here.
Well,
There you go.
You know, you look a lot older than
He-
you did.
Yeah.
oh,
He looks older this
I
week.
did one on
Did you
Bob.
see- did you
Bob,
saw Bob,
did
yeah.
not smile. He was offended.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
He got really quiet.
You used
Uh-oh.
your line on him. It worked. Okay.
God, I thought you would die.
No negotiations
and
today?
I think I read his mind. And
Let me go over here.
bad words.
Take a look.
Beep, beep, beep.
Here, we'll go this way. Oh.
So I shouldn't have done it, but I couldn't help it.
Yeah, I had Ron going on a genealogy site checking obituaries online to see if we could find Bob Welch.
Oh, there's the main warehouse over there.
Yeah, there are a lot.
And we will get over there eventually.
Great, you guys made it.
Unless I...
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we've been here for a while.
Yeah,
Well,
we
I
started
know.
from the back and then worked around.
Yeah.
Look at this. I have not got anything. Nothing.
No, nothing.
I'm
No.
going to go back empty-handed. This is like...
Hmm.
Was that RAS 5 still in Browns?
Can't speak to most people. Most people are like, you know what? I don't understand.
The little Harvey Wells Bandmaster, that was a neat radio back in the
That
day.
Bandmaster, that tall one right there?
It was just a ham... Harvey Wells made those ham radio radios.
Harvey Wells? Really?
And it's normally crystal controlled. He's got the matching VFO.
Oh, we got
VFO
down below.
for it.
Yeah, see it. Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
think that's what
And the
you
power
like
supply right next to it. Yeah. No, it's a pretty neat setup.
And part of it's about acceptance. And those people,
Well,
in seeking
I'm getting
acceptance,
parts here
they want
everywhere.
Your reaction, and your reaction should be, I accept you. When our reactions.
all right. Here we are back again. Let's see if I can get that. That's what I'm looking at. This. Aaron Fox fire engine. And look at the length of this thing. Not to mention all the chrome. Ugh. Wow. That's some engine in that though. Look at that thing. Look at this engine.
Yeah.
Holy crud.
All exposed.
All exposed stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Push rods, everything. It's all exposed.
On the other side,
Wow.
it has, it almost looks like a cross,
Uh-huh.
but it has the firing order.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
for the
That's something else.
pistons, yeah.
Yeah.
What year was this?
23.
1923. Wow. Yeah, it's the dash panel is a little scarce on gauges too.
But it's got
They didn't need no.
They didn't need no gauges.
back then.
Yeah, I know they didn't. These days they do, but not now. Wow. Okay, well, it's open in the back, definitely. Well, there's where they would have put the hoses, right there. But yeah, this is something else. Okay, hand ringer bell. Wow.
But they did a thing where the water, they shot it over the fires. They
Yeah. Huh. Wow. Something else. So you see everything around here.
vibrating around or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. 1923. Huh.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at the rotary pump on that.
Yeah, it's something else. An old tube tester, really old. Okay, we got some stuff here. Another, wow, another really old tube tester, but a big one, $750 for that one. The Encore is $50, it's a really small one. Parts and junk, microphones, that sort of thing. Not much there. Here's my gauge. What do I do with one? AC ammeter, up to 800 amps. I don't think I have anything that big. Here's your crystal radio from days gone by. All right, what we got in here? Box of stuff. Okay. Well, take your blood pressure if you want to. Go ahead. Wow. There's $20. I don't know what the heck this is. Take a look at that one. I don't know what that is. Let's see, what does it say? Radio signal detector. Huh. Looks like some little kid's thing. I guess do-it-yourself antennas. And, well, whoop, there you are. Jukebox. There you go. You seen a jukebox lately? And, of course, this is Nevada. You have to have a one-armed bandit. Bonus poker. Yeah. In fact, not one machine. You have to have 2 machines. Yes. Well, I don't think it'll fit in the car. Well, we have some pole pig transformers. Big ones. Wow. Okay. I'm going to go back here. What else we find? Oh, now that's old. This would be a standard distributor tester. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this thing. Something else. Yeah, you always see something different at these, I tell you. And of course, that's a big old transmitter, AM transmitter. And good old RCA. And there we are. Okay, there we are. That's it for now.